Alright, real quick, just showing how to remove the center console in a Mercedes GL. Possibly the same for ML also, the 166 models. It's real simple. You got two bolts right here, T25, possibly a T30, two screws, and then two in here. Same thing, T25 or T30. You just take those out and it just pops right out. The entire thing pops out. Alright, so the screws are out. And those two places inside the center console and then over here under the dash. And all you gotta do is lift from the bottom and pull back. And then you can lift the whole thing up. The whole thing comes out like that, and then you can mess with under it. I'm not doing any work in here. I just need the space because I'm just gonna run some wires through here to put a switchboard pretty much for my lights. Right in this spot where the little like storage spot used to be. I'll just put a switch right here. But that's it. It's real simple. 4 screws, lift back, and it's out. So this is what I was doing with mine. This is the reason why I took my center console out. I was trying to throw these switches in. I got a front and rear LED bar so far that I needed switches for, so that's those right there. I was just trying to tuck the wires. So I'm gonna just put it back in real quick. So all you gotta do is pretty much take it out how you brought it back in. How you brought it in, put it in whatever. Lift, push it up. Should be in place. That should be good. Oops, not yet. Alright. How you know it's aligned is when you check the screw holes, you'll see that they line up inside the center